Hi guys, today I will tell you how to create a VHD in Windows 10. So let's get started. So at first you have to click here, then you have to right click here, then you have to simply click on Disk Management. Then you have to click on Ikson. Then you have to click on Create VHD. Then you have to give the location by clicking on Browse. Then you have to choose any hard disk. I will choose my local disk C for VHD. Then you have to type VHD all in capital letter. Then you have to simply click on Save. Then you have to click on MB. Then you have to select GB. Then you have to type the storage that you want to use in your VHD. I will use 1 GB, so I will type 1 GB here. Then you have to click on OK. It is now creating virtual disk. You can see disk 1. It is not initialized, so now we will initialize this disk. Then you have to click left click, then right click, then you have to click on Initialize Disk. You have to click on Master Boot Record. Then you have to click on OK. This disk is now initialized. Then you have to click here. Then you have to click right click. Then you have to click on New Simple Volume. Then you have to click on Next. Then you have to click on Next. I will choose O for my virtual disk. Then you have to click on Next. Then you have to rename the new volume to virtual disk, and you have to make sure that the spelling of virtual disk is correct. Then you have to click on Next. Then you have to click on Finish. You have now successfully created the virtual disk. And if you want to delete this virtual disk, you have to click here. Then you have to click on right click. Then you have to simply click on Eject. Then you have to go to local disk. In my case, I am using local disk C. You have to go to the disk which you had selected on the starting for making virtual disk. You have to delete this VHD by clicking on Shift plus Delete. Then you have to click on Yes. Then you have to give the administrator permission by clicking on Continue. See, you have now successfully deleted the virtual disk. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.